How to lock and unlock PDF on iPhone.
Here's how to do it.
First, open the Files app on your iPhone. Next, locate and open the PDF file you want to protect. Once the PDF is open, tap the down arrow at the top of the screen. From the menu, tap Lock PDF. Now enter a password for your PDF. Type the password again to confirm it. Make sure you choose a password you'll remember, because you'll need it every time you open the PDF. After entering the password, tap Done. Your PDF is now protected with a password. Now, whenever you or anyone else tries to open the PDF, they'll be prompted to enter the password before viewing the document. How to unlock a PDF. To unlock the PDF, simply open it from the Files app. Enter the password you created earlier. Once the correct password is entered, the PDF will open normally. If you forget the password, Apple can't recover it for you, so be sure to keep it somewhere safe. And that's it. That's how you can lock and unlock a PDF on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, tricks, and how-to tutorials.